In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use the clip feature in ArcToolbox. What the clip feature does is it takes a shapefile, and based on a boundary or a specific line that you set, it will clip out certain pieces of the object. So you, in a case like this where we have the North American interstates laid over the United States map, we can clip out certain pieces of it. So if I wanted just the interstates that are on the United States, I could clip that out, and that would get rid of the ones that are up here in Canada. And then also if I wanted to clip to a specific state, we could do that. So you'll find this feature in the ArcToolbox. Again, that's just right here under Customize. We have the ArcToolbox window. Click that, and this is going to show you a series of different tool features that are under ArcToolbox. We will specifically be looking under Analysis Tools, and then under Extract you have Select, or we have Clip here. So if I select Clip, the input features, that's going to be my North American interstate highways. This is one that's going to be clipped, and then the one that we want to clip is the United States here. So I will select OK here, and this will create a whole new shapefile when it's done processing here. You can see here that this has created the new shapefile here under interstate clip. It's in green. It's overlaid over the blue one, so you only see this one. If I were to take out the blue one, you can see that just the green one shows up. So now only the interstate that's within the boundary of the United States comes out here. Now if we wanted to do a clip for a specific state, let's just zoom into Washington real quick. If I go to Washington here, and I want to go ahead and clip out just the ones in Washington. And the reason for doing this is if you have a large amount of data, and I'm only going to be using a specific set of that, I don't need all that data in the attribute table and kind of confusing you on which sections you have. So if you go in here and we want to clip out the one in Washington, what you need to do is you actually have to go into the attribute table for the states that you're going to be using, and you can see if I'm going to select Washington here. I'll kill that, and that is highlighted that state within this shapefile here. So if I've highlighted a specific state and then I use the clip tool, it will clip to the specific selection that I have. So again, I will go into clip. I'm going to put my input features the same, the North American interstate highways, and the clip feature now we'll just use as the USA states here. But now that I've selected it, since the selection is only for Washington, it will clip to that. So we'll click OK. And here it has clipped the interstates just for Washington. So you can see that now in purple we have those states. So that is the clip feature, and you can do that within either the larger shapefile or within a specific set of it by clicking a specific selection under the attribute table. One other thing that you can do with the clip feature is clip a section of a map within itself. And so if I go to here in the United States, and again I have just Washington selected here, and I wanted to clip out just Washington, I can clip it from its own selection. So I'm just going to clip again, going to Input Features, United States, and the clip feature, now that the Washington State is selected, it will just clip to that feature there. And so as you can see, we have just this is the clip feature. So now we just have Washington with the interstates within Washington. This simplifies the process for looking at certain data, so you're not looking again at a huge amount of data, but only the data of interest.